the proposed fiscal year 2027 National Expenditure Program. At the onset, this budget is designed to close the gap between our country's economic progress and the everyday realities of the Filipino people. Our theme, People-Centered Growth for an Inclusive and Resilient Future, reflects a simple principle that economic growth must be measured not only by stronger macroeconomic indicators, but by better lives for every Filipino. A people-centered budget ensures that growth reaches every household. An inclusive budget leaves no sector and no region behind. And a resilient budget prepares the nation to withstand future shocks while sustaining development. Our proposed national budget for fiscal year 2027 amounts to 7.2 trillion pesos, equivalent to 21.7% of GDP, and is 407 billion or 6% higher than the fiscal year 2026 budget. The proposed 6% increase over the 2026 budget is driven mainly by funding requirements that the government is obligated to provide. It takes into account anticipated mandatory allocations, including higher national tax allotment for our local government units, the fourth tranche of the salary adjustments for civilian government employees under Executive Order Number 64, the corresponding salary adjustments for military and uniformed personnel, and other existing fiscal obligations of the government. In fact, about 316 billion, or nearly 4/5 of the total increase, comes from these mandatory obligations alone. Beyond this budget prioritizes the provision of support to our country's economic growth through strategic investments in infrastructure, education, health, food security, and social protection, which undeniably are essential in improving public services, strengthening productivity, generating employment, and ensuring that government resources respond to the needs of Filipinos. We now turn to the 10 departments that will receive the largest allocations under the proposed fiscal year 2027 national budget. Consistent with the Constitution, the Department of Education remains the largest recipient with 976 billion pesos, reaffirming our commitment to investing in the country's most valuable resource, our people. The Department of Public Works and Highways follows with 644 billion, reflecting the administration's continued commitment to building infrastructure that connects communities, creates jobs, strengthens climate resilience, and supports long-term economic growth. Substantial investments are likewise proposed for health, the interior and local government, national defense, transportation, agriculture, social welfare and development, and higher education, reflecting our priorities of building a healthier, safer, more connected, food secure, and more inclusive Philippines. The combined allocation for the Commission on Higher Education and state universities and colleges reaches 176.5 billion pesos, ensuring that more Filipinos continue to have access to quality and affordable higher education. Taken together, these 10 sectors account for 51.4% of the proposed fiscal year 2027 national budget, demonstrating that our largest investments remain focused on strengthening human capital, expanding economic opportunities, improving public services, and promoting inclusive national development. In line with the administration's vision of ensuring that bawat bayan makikinabang, the proposed 2027 national budget also empowers every region and strengthens local governments to support balanced regional development across the country. As discussed earlier, we are providing 1.32 trillion pesos for the national tax allotment, ensuring that local government units have the resources to effectively deliver devolved services